Hi, my name is Jean Marquez, and I'm the product designer at squareteams. Today, I'm going to show you a product demo of our personality assessment that will be integrated into job applications. This assessment takes applicant responses and feeds it through our AI. Based on the way that the applicants structure their sentences, we can detect the big 5 personality traits. So here's the welcome screen, just to make sure that you're applying for the right posting and taking the right test. So let's start the assessment. Here's a quick instruction screen. 3 free response questions, 180 words or fewer, that's all we need. So here's question 1. So the results from our assessment will be sent over to the recruiter so that the recruiter will be able to see the assessment ranking of different personality traits of the applicant. And based on which values the company prioritizes, the company will be able to find better matches for their team.